Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy the LG UH7N-M 75-inch UHD 4K commercial monitor, the link is in the description. Today we're diving into a display built for environments where clarity, durability, and non-stop performance matter more than anything else. This is a screen designed for real work, real business, and real visibility in places where most consumer TVs would fall short. The first thing that catches your attention is how clean and modern the display looks. Even though it's massive at 75 inches, the slim edges and minimal design help it blend into practically any space. When the screen lights up, the 4K clarity becomes immediately noticeable. Everything looks sharp, from fine text to high-detail video. It's engineered to make content stand out in a professional setting, whether you're using it for presentations, digital signage, storefront promotions, or large meeting rooms. One of the biggest strengths of this monitor is brightness. In commercial environments, lighting is unpredictable. Some areas are washed with sunlight, others rely on overhead LEDs, and some places simply don't offer ideal display conditions. The UH7N-M cuts through all of it with a level of visibility that stays consistent throughout the day. The colors stay accurate, the text remains readable, and images don't lose contrast, even from wide viewing angles. This isn't a TV pretending to be a commercial screen. It's built specifically for long operational hours. Inside, the components are designed for durability. Cooling and power efficiency are optimized for all-day performance. Retail stores, office lobbies, airports, restaurants, and conference centers often run displays for 8 to 16 hours or more. This monitor is made for exactly that kind of workload. It doesn't lag, dim, or show signs of wear the way consumer displays do under constant stress. LG's WebOS platform gives this monitor a major advantage. Managing content becomes effortless. Uploading media, customizing layouts, scheduling promotions, or controlling multiple displays across different locations can all be done through one streamlined system. It's responsive, simple to navigate, and designed for businesses that need efficiency rather than complicated menus or slow software. Connectivity is strong too. HDMI, USB, LAN, and control ports allow the screen to integrate into just about any setup. That means it works with signage players, corporate systems, automation panels, or simple plug-and-play content sources. Switching between inputs stays quick, making this display suitable for spaces where different users need access without delay. Video playback looks smooth and natural. High-resolution product demos, promotional graphics, or animated menus all display with clean detail and accurate color reproduction. Whether the screen is being viewed from up close or across a large room, everything stays crisp. That's important for businesses looking to make an impact without sacrificing readability. Using the UH7N-M feels like relying on a tool built for purpose. It handles demanding hours, delivers top-tier image quality, and stays reliable in environments where lighting and usage conditions constantly change. The slim build makes it easy to mount on walls without drawing attention away from what's being displayed. For businesses wanting a future-proof display that balances performance with efficiency, this monitor stands out. It offers the size needed to grab attention, the resolution needed for clarity, and the durable engineering needed for everyday commercial use. If you want to upgrade your signage, corporate display system, showroom visuals, or video presentation setup, this screen is an impressive choice. Hi guys, it's me. If you're interested in this LG UH7N-M 75-inch UHD 4K commercial monitor, check the link in the description.